Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a free Canva account. Let's get started. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to search for Canva. This is what your Canva page should look like because Canva is constantly updating. It may look slightly different at the time you're watching this video, but the instructions are all the same. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to login. And you can either continue with Google, Facebook, or email. I always do an email address. And then you are going to type in the email that you want. And then you are going to click continue. You're going to go ahead and enter your name and your password, and then you will click Create Account. In case you don't get the verification email, it might go to your junk folder, so always look there. It should be sent to you within like 5, maybe 10 minutes at the most. And once you get done with that, you will click Login, and you will log into your account. Now, one thing I do want you to do is I want you to download the app. And the app is very useful because it is its own entity. So you're not getting on a web browser to create your designs. You have your own app. So if you are searching for graphics on a web page, you can still have your app open and you don't accidentally close your web browser. This has happened to me 1,000 times, and once they came out with the app, it was fantastic. So if you want to download the app, you will search Canva app. You will be able to download it through whatever system you are using. For example, I am on a Mac, so I would go to the Apple Store and it will direct and download it for me. So I'm currently using the free version of Canva. If you have the extra money to spend, the Pro is like $12.99, and it is a wonderful investment because it gives you a lot of great templates and images and features that you can use. I am a graphic designer. I have access to the Adobe Creative Cloud, and I personally love Canva because it saves me time and I can do a lot of the things that I want to do real quickly in Canva. So this is what it kind of looks like. You can go through templates. They have whiteboard, presentations, social media, videos. You can print products. You can do website mock-ups. For example, like if you wanted to create specific pages, if you're doing like a scrolling page on a website, you can create these pages, and then you would just have to upload them to your website. Now on Thursday, I'm going to be posting a video why Canva is the best. This is coming from me, a graphic designer, as well as a graphic design professor. So I've been doing this for years, and Canva is such a powerful tool that not many people utilize. So I'm going to be going into why Canva is the best on Thursday. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found value in it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time.